While Seagrove is famous for its pottery, there is another craft being practiced there that might surprise you. Jerry Darnell has been blacksmithing for most of his life, and his work has been featured on both television shows like Sleepy Hollow and on the big screen in the Academy Award-winning movie The Revenant. But despite his many credits, this artist has invested his heart and soul into doing his work right here in North Carolina.
My father was a welder at Fort Bragg for 31 years, and I was raised up in an iron shop, in a welding shop. And so all I'd do, I'd come home from school and I'd work after school in my dad's shop and everything. And all I wanted to do is get out of that shop. So I wanted to, I went to school. I went to school to be started out as an engineer, and I wound up teaching school.
While blacksmithing may not have been Jerry's intended profession, over the years, it's become his passion.
I started this when I was 19 years old, and I started teaching school when I was 21. And so during the summer, you had to look for something to do. Well, I didn't have to look for anything to do. I had the shop to work, so I went straight into the shop and worked. It's very much like building a house. You have to know what to do first, and what to do next, and what to do next, and what next. And it takes a long time to get to the point where you can do it. I've worked at it for 40 some odd years, and you just after you, Lord knows how many of you've done, you just do them over and over and over and over and over again, and you get to the point where you know what it's supposed to look like. 18th century appealed to me for some reason. I just liked 18th century, so I started doing that. And so that's what I do mostly right now, is 18th century reproductions. Since there's not that many people like myself that do the types of ironwork, 18th century stuff, they'll buy a small piece, and then they satisfy with it, and then they'll order another piece a little bit later on, kind of feeling you out, and then later on they say, oh, we're building a house up in the mountains, we're gonna need such and such and such and such, and it just kind of builds from there, because they're confident in you'll get your stuff out.
And it's not just North Carolinians that are appreciating Jerry's work. He's definitely been noticed by Hollywood, including doing set pieces for movies like The Revenant.
The guy who called me, Hamish Purdy, who was nominated for an Academy Award that did Revenant, he said he found me on the internet. So, and then we went from there, assuming that's the way he did it. The same week that I did Revenant, Walking Dead called me. And they wanted something. I don't know what Walking Dead could have wanted from a blacksmith shop. You meet a lot of interesting people, that's for sure. The group that I worked on, The Revenant, they were a super nice group.
Jerry sent out 78 pieces of work for The Revenant, and he says seeing his craftsmanship on the big screen was quite the experience.
It was kind of thrilling. I went the first night, it was open in Southern Pines and everything, and I had several people behind me that I knew that, and every time it would flash across it, and there would be something that ironwork there, they would punch my shoulders. There it is, there it is.
But for Jerry, it's not about Hollywood. It's about the love of the craft and making people happy.
They can't buy some of the stuff that I make unless I make it for them, specifically for them. And then a lot of times I just say, well, here, I'll just give it to you. That's the thing that keeps you going. It's not the money. You're starved if you tried to do this for a living.